Hello children, welcome to the Moral Science class. Today we start with the Term 2 course, and the first chapter of your Term 2 course in Moral Science is the power of speech. Children, the word speech here means the way you talk, the way you communicate, the way you deal with others. And what is the power of that dealing? What is the power of the words you are using? What is the power of the speech, the way you are talking? How it affects your life? What is the final result of your way of speaking to others? All these things deals with this power of speech. So in this chapter, there is a very short story related to this topic. Okay, so we'll start with that. Chapter number 11, the power of speech. A king lost his way in a forest. His bodyguard and the chief minister. Bodyguard is the one who is just close to him to protect him, and the chief minister is the person who is next to the king, who were accompanying him. Accompanying him means was going with him, had got separated from him. When they were moving in the forest, at some place, the king and his chief minister and the bodyguard, they got separated. Separated means they got lost in the forest. Raja alag ho gaye and the other two members, they were different. While wandering. Wandering means going here and there in the forest. He met a holy man sitting under a tree. And when he was going like this, he saw a very holy man sitting under a tree. The holy man was blind. Blind means andha. He cannot see. He greeted the holy man. Greeted means usse milna. He met with him. He greeted the holy man and inquired about his health. And the very first thing what king did, that he greeted him and inquired his health. Uski health ke bare mein पूछा. He then asked him, reverse sir, that means respected. Like we said, respected father, respected teacher. Similarly, he said, respected sir, did you hear anyone passing by? I am looking for my companions. He said, what did the king say? He said, did you hear anyone going from this side? I have lost my companions. मैंने अपने साथियों को खो दिया है. The blind man replied, Your Excellency. See children, this word excellency is used for the person or the king who is sitting on the highest place in that country, or you can say in that place. So Your Excellency, first your chief minister and then your bodyguard passed me. They have gone in north direction. The king was surprised to hear this answer. Why? Because neither the king was knowing that holy man, nor the holy man was knowing the king. But still he could say that there were two men. One was your chief minister and the other was your bodyguard. They passed from me by my side. So king was surprised. How did this old man or the holy man who is blind could see this, could feel that? He was surprised to know that the person who passed by he asked, revered sir, how did you know that the person who passed by you were the chief minister and the bodyguard? The holy man said, Your Excellency, I came to know them by the way they spoke. In the beginning I told you, it is the way you are talking to the other person. And by the way of speaking of the person, that is the chief minister and the bodyguard, the holy man came to know who were they. Your minister came and said, Holy man, accept my greetings and tell me the way to the town. Sabse pehle, chief minister and minister, and he said, Holy man, with all due respect, he said, accept my greetings, mera pranam lijiye, and tell me the way to the town. और मुझे town का रास्ता बताइए, शहर का रास्ता बता दीजिए. He spoke to me in a courteous manner. Courteous means polite. So holy man said, your chief minister spoke to me in a very polite manner, while your bodyguard asked me, Oh, blind man, what is the way to the town? and that bodyguard was very harsh, very rude to the holy man, and he rudely asked, blind man, if you tell a blind person a blind, he will feel so bad. So that holy man also feels so bad, and he asked about the way to the town. When he inquired me about my health and requested me to tell the way, I immediately know that you are king. And he said, your bodyguard spoke to me so rudely, but you first of all inquired me about my health with all due politeness and the respect. So I came to know that you were the king. The king was very happy to hear this answer, and the king was delighted to hear the answer from the holy man. He thought, it is truly said, speech is the index of one's personality. That is, by speech of any person you can measure the personality. You can measure how that person is. It is only the way the person speaks. That is the way by which the other one, the person in front of you, can make out what kind of person you are. If you are not speaking properly, you will be considered as rude. But if you are polite, you will be considered as courteous, mannerful. And that is very true, children. You have to be polite in your words. You have to be courteous, and you have to be the best way you can speak to others. So there is a thought, speak so that I may know you. It was very well written by William Shakespeare, the famous poet and the novelist, who says that one is known by their speech. Every person is known by their speech. And I tell you, children, this is one of the most important value in your life, that you always speak with respect, with politeness to everyone. Whether it is smaller, and whether it is younger to you, or whether they are elder to you. Especially elders, you have to speak very politely and with due respect. Please do. Just imbibe in yourself. अपने अंदर उसको सोचिए, लाइए ये आदत. Okay? So basically, children, it is the words which play very important in your life. Now, what happens if you are polite? What happens if you are courteous? What is the power of that speech? The power of that speech is that it creates an excellent impression of oneself in front of others. You are the person, and you start, you start gaining respect from others. If you are polite in words, if you are courteous, if you behave properly, the power of those words is this, power of that speech is that you start developing respect for yourself. And once you develop respect for yourself, everything is bright in your life. You will always face success, and you will reach to a highest level. Okay? So that was the moral of the story, that the speech actually reflects your personality. The way you talk reflects what you are, who you are. Now there are question and answers. You will definitely get the PDF of that question answers, but I'll just discuss them. When the king got lost in the forest, whom did he meet? Obviously, he met the holy man. So when the king got lost in the forest, he met a holy man. Who were accompanying the king? The bodyguard and the chief minister were accompanying the king. How did blind man know the king's chief minister and bodyguard passed him by? The blind man knew that king's chief minister and bodyguard passed him by the way they spoke. जिस तरह से उन्होंने बोला, उससे immediately he came to know who passed by. So children, this was chapter number 11. So please go through it, and please do follow what I said. Be polite, be courteous, be respectful in your words. Once you all are there, once you follow all these things, once you are polite, courteous and respectful, you will gain respect for yourself and you will definitely gain success. So children, I will also be sharing 2 videos on the same topic, the power of speech, so that it becomes more clear that what is the importance of power of speech, what is the importance of being polite. In both the videos you will learn that how a polite person can gain the love and respect of others, how the people are ready to help such person. So please go through these videos and try to understand what is the meaning of power of speech. Stay safe, take care and enjoy the weekend.